Hey peeps! Welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I've got a little unboxing for you from the lovely peeps at OutdoorTide. So let's get inside. Now I went for one paint by numbers and one diamond painting off the canvas item. Get rid of the bag. Okay, we'll start with this one. As so often happens with these things, the box tends to come a little squished, but I've never had a problem with any of the stuff that's inside. So we've got a little diamond painting box here. And, is that everything? Yeah, that's everything. Okay, so here we have our lovely, vibrant and colourful horse. As you will know if you've been watching my channel for a while, horses are really important to me in terms of my faith. And I thought this was a lovely thing that I can add to my altar and just spend some time, you know, meditating on the horse whilst I work on it. So yeah, you can see it's lovely and clear there. It is single-sided, but there will be a protective coating on the back that you can peel off when you're finished. That's just there to protect from scratches. And the same with this base piece. This has got a frosted protective cover on that once you're finished, just pop that into there and then it can stand up, stand on a desk, stand on an altar. The one I did previously was a couple of butterflies, very similar sort of design with the little stand, and that looks really pretty with some fairy lights behind or even tea light. So we've got all special diamonds. So we've got some clear, red, lovely emerald green, orange, blue, pink, lovely big faceted emeralds, red rounds, bigger red rounds, and oh, those are very nice. The sort of fiery cut ones there. Those are very nice indeed. And of course we get our standard boat wax and pen. This was $9.28, which, yeah, I'm quite happy with that. Yeah, I think anything around the sort of $10 mark for something like this, lovely. Happy. So yeah, I'm looking forward to getting to work on this. It'll just be a little aside project that I do in between other larger things. But yeah, I'm very much looking forward to it. So, pop that to one side. So the paint by numbers that I got. Ooh, got a little bit squished, but again, they do tend to be quite forgiving. We've got our paints. Do we have brushes? Ah, yes. So there's our basic brushes. So we've got a tiny round, slightly bigger one, and a flat. And they always give you fixings in case you want to add this to a frame afterwards. We'll try and get that crease worked out of there a little bit. I'll put a picture up on the screen as to what this will look like when it's finished, but it is a lovely, bold, modern picture that's not going to take very long to do, but will be very nice and relaxing to work on nonetheless. So we've just got this lovely, she kind of gives me 80s hair salon vibes. She's called City Woman. She is a 40 by 50, and let's just check. That is, okay, that is the actual picture size rather than the canvas size. So that's nice, and was only $6.71. So really no complaints at all. Obviously we've only got the 4 colours because she's such a bold print. We've got lots of black, which is the number 2, red for her hair and her lips, a navy for this shaded part of her face, and then everything else is white. So couldn't be any simpler. If you want to try your hand at paint by numbers, something like this is a great way to start, because there's not lots and lots of little tiny patches to paint. You can really just have at it. Yeah, so really pleased with that. So in all, I spent less than $16 and got 2 lovely items. So thank you very much to OutdoorTide. I will leave my code on the screen, which is Crafty5OFF. That's Crafty, the number 5, capital O, capital F, and that will get you 5% off your order should you wish to purchase something. And I will of course link these products down below as well, so that you can check them out for yourself. Do let me know if either of these interests you, and let me know your thoughts on these bold paint by numbers. I would be interested to know. So short and sweet from me today. Thank you so much for joining me, and until next time, stay crafty.